welcome to school too.
Have you seen the signal? Yes.
No, sir.
You have been promoted from sergeant to inspector. Easy. Your hard work has truly paid. You know you have served this nation.
Hey, God.
Now you are hereby transferred.
Mother.
You are hereby transferred to Meduguri.
You know you can be prosecuted
yes, to continue your police work there. And you have to report to headquarters now.
I've been promoted. Are you serious? I'm not inspector. Maybe that's a very good thing. Let's say the only challenge is that they move me to Maduguri.
You want to live in this boring house?
No. Wait. Why don't you stay with Pastor? Just trust me.
Pastor.
Now stay with Pastor.
I go by the name M to the X to the P's. Okay, open and close, 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 open.
Your wife is safe. You know I'm a man of God. I will put her in the way of the Lord. There is no problem. You can go. There is no problem. My dear, you will end up in McDonald's. Come inside. You will end up in McDonald's. That's why I'm the Lord is no. You can be going. Let your wife go inside. There is no problem. You can be going. You are going from here, Abi. Why are you calling yourself? You are going. You have been transferred. You Abi. Oh yeah, go. You can go.
Boy, better watch your mouth. Say you big like this.
Brother Obu, you too. Welcome.
Pastor.
Brother Obutu.
Yes.
So you are still alive?
I'm alive.
After 2 years. Wait, I thought you said you went to Meduguri.
Yes.
That place that the Boko Haram have been throwing bombs everywhere.
I'm just coming from there, sir.
Hi.
That was my wife.
But you know you didn't tell us you were coming.
Hey, just
Jesus is Lord. Oh my God. You will move out of this house.
My body.
Saramarama Sarabu Anakwa